I am not interested, Lucretia. I'm not interested.
But you didn't even examine this.
Drapers, I got disciplinary, you know. Disciplinary, Mr. Draper. Yes.
Let me tell you something, Lucretia. I am not
arrest, sir.
Calm down, Drapers. Don't let your blood start conglomerating.
If you don't put back that
disciplinary Draper. Yes. War. Oh yes. Man, he handle them woman, man.
If you were not so reprehensibly countrified, you would appreciate my knowledge of architecture. Without the need to hawk you for incest.
My local show them, I know who call me now. It's who it is.
What's going on here? Mrs. Upton.
Who?
The kidnappers come back.
Worse than that, Miss Bob.
Couch.
What could be worse?
Wrong address, not couch, not live here.
Intellectual capacity.
Oh, that. All right.
Just a minute.
Excuse me.
Don't move, Miss Bobs. Hold it right there until I come.
Mrs.
Sure. Excuse me, sir. Mas Oliver said to tell you that him is disposable, but needs to take a matches.
Tell him that I'm from Star Time Productions, and he's been casted in a role.
I Miss Oliver.
Me did know, man.
Yes, no, sir.
Look, put on your clothes, right? Because we have to go somewhere. No.
Just a minute, sir. We're going inside. Because I don't want grudgeful people. Oh no, I'm not business. Come, sir. Nicest news this me here, you know.
Okay, now.
Just a minute. First things first. What is your name?
Frederick Anthony Robert Tibbles. But you can call me Festus. All right, now put on your clothes.
Is where we going?
We're going to rehearse.
Rehearse for what?
Why you ask so much question? Put on your clothes.
I want to know where we're going.
You don't interrogate people, eh? Get dressed.
But I'm not moving 1 inch until I know where I'm going and why.
We are going to rehearse.
Rehearse for what?
We're going into films.
Films? Like movies?
Yes, man. Hurry up. Time is money.
Tell me more.
We're going to be movie stars.
I don't believe it.
You remember Dasa?
If I remember Dasa, how could I forget Dasa? Dasa not the big foot muscular woman who used to drive the back over Mr. Brown.
You remember Dasa?
The first time they introduced her to me, you see, and she shake my hand. I nearly wet up myself. With the drinks me did have in my hand.
Well, she work at one advertising agency downtown.
Me know. Me not see her drive past my day in a one heavy duty equipment truck.
Well, as she sent it to you.
Oh, so you is not no talent scout. I know your face, you know. You is a messenger.
Well, yes. They might do this ad and they want 2 male actors. So she recommend you and me.
Ad? What me think it said was a movies?
Which part you think you there? Hollywood?
You just come excite up people so with your foolishness about movies doing. And it's only like a television commercial.
Only a television commercial? Yeah, go on like you did on TV.
Of course me come on TV. One time one minivan did crash down a 4-show road and me go look and television camera come down there and take me and me see myself on the news.
How you think then the actor they get them big break?
On TV?
On TV?
Anyway, I don't think so that the commercial is very important if them allow for them truck driver to recommend we.
Oh, you chat so? Come on, no man.
So, we have to go to audition.
Audition? For what?
So that them can test if we see if we have talent.
You don't seem to understand. We get the part already.
That sounds funny to me.
That's arrange everything. All we need to do is to rehearse.
Well, Anna, so me know it go.
How you chat so?
Because me know what me talking about. To get a particular role, them have to know your psychological and physiological characteristics.
Alright, Steve, you spring bud. I will tell that so you say thanks, but no thanks.
Wait, hold on, wait, come here. It's not so that me don't like the part and me don't want it, you know. It's just that it just feels strange to me.
You want the role or you don't want the role?
What is the role?
What you mean?
What part I playing? What is my character?
Who you think you is? Al Pacino?
No. Then you say, I know what I doing, you know. I know about these things. And if you come to my... Let me tell you something, you see, first. Galang a yard, you know. Guan a yard.
Look, man, you see, what matter is the part you're playing. You understand? And the kind of opportunities that can open up for we. Look, can you imagine the walk going to the place? And you go get your Grammy Award performance.
Academy.
Oh, Jesus, man. Imagine the kind of opportunities we are going to get.
Well, you could have a pint there. This advertisement is for what?
Me no know. Me no business. Just come make we go rehearse.
Tell me something. Where is the rehearsal?
I'm in yard.
Your yard. Hold on. So your yard turn TV studio now?
No, man, not like that. It's just a place where we go and we can just catch real local practice.
So how we going to go practice and we don't know what part we play?
You know, remember when you used to learn to drive? Don't you used to go stadium car park? You couldn't go anywhere else?
No.
But after you get your license, no. Don't you could have drive anyway?
Yes.
Then not the same situation may I try to show you. The minute you get in your local practice, you can't hack anyway.
You know, when I was at school, I hack in a play. The cow jump over the moon. Yes. I was the cow.
I can't bet how it fit the part. Anyway, put on your clothes. Time ago.
Aye. Festus, tell me something, you see. This commercial, it pay well?
Everything you do, you have to ask about money. You can't even think about the potential career this could have for you.
How much money me get in?
$600.
That no sound bad.
See to away. Come on, time ago. Put on your clothes, man. Move it, man.
Aye. It's what you have in that bag there.
Literatures, written material.
For what?
For rehearse with, plays and thing.
You have the cow jump over the moon?
No, man. May have A Midsummer Night's Dream, Hamlet, and The Miser.
What those?
Literature, classics written by the masters like Shakespeare and Malieri and them people there.
Malieri? That sounds like one of them diseases where mosquitoes have.
Me no say malaria, me say Malieri. Listen to this. I know a bank where the wild thyme blows, where the oxlips and nodding violets grows.
Oxlips? From pipe cock to pipe rooster. From cow's lips to ox lips.
Oxlips is a flower. Hey, you read something out there. Read that. Let me hear you song.
What thou sayest when thou awakest, take it for thy true love's sake. Look here now, Festus, you not got nothing to write in English.
Then this not English, Shakespeare English.
Well, I hope the role we playing is in Jamaican English.
Look man, you have to be versatile if you want to make it big. Acting at any language. Come on, time ago, let's go.
All right. What thou seest when thou dost awakest is not meest.
Is everything ready? Pinnock, is everybody ready?
Just a minute.
Just a minute.